I christen thee, Carter.
A decades-old tradition for good luck and safe travels.
We call upon you to bless those who have prepared this ship.
After 2 years and hours of labor, the 100-foot ship, built by Blount Boats, will soon be ready to cruise away.
And this was one of our most complex vessels.
The sisters who operate the company say the ship will carry more than 20 technicians out to the site of Revolution Wind, about 15 miles south of the Rhode Island coast. The project by Ørsted and Eversource includes about 65 wind turbines.
She's under contract with Ørsted, and she carries the technicians to the wind farm to work on the turbines, to complete the turbines, especially climbing the ladder up to the nacelle and the tie-in with the blades.
More offshore wind projects are in the works despite some concern. Rhode Island and Massachusetts just announced last month plans for what they say is the largest wind farm in the region.
Offshore wind is by far the leading sector growth for the economic development in the state.
A handful of other offshore wind boats have been built here in Warren.
Shipbuilding takes really highly skilled workers.
And as the boat launches, the shipyard is also celebrating a milestone of its own. 75 years in business. Julie and Marcia took over after their father died. The two are now in their 70s and are continuing full speed ahead.
He'd be very proud.
He'd be very proud.
The ship is expected to be in service by the end of November.